In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to N8N. If you've been on the lookout for a simplified way to integrate Shopify with your N8N workflows, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it and walk through the process. First things first, we'll begin by configuring your Shopify credentials within N8N. To get started, open up N8N and locate the Credentials section. It's typically found right at the top or in the sidebar, depending on your user interface settings. Once you're there, you'll need to create a new set of credentials to establish the connection between Shopify and N8N. Go ahead and click that Create New button. Next, you'll be prompted to select a service. Here, you need to choose Shopify. This tells N8N that we're setting up a connection specifically for your Shopify store data. As you do this, N8N will prepare the fields necessary for Shopify's integration settings. Now, let's talk about your Shopify store's subdomain. It's essential for identifying your specific store. Enter the subdomain in the format of your store, myshopify.com. Remember, don't include the HTTPS prefix or any trailing slashes when you're entering it. Getting this part correct ensures that N8N knows exactly where to send and retrieve information from your Shopify account. For authentication, you will need to select OAuth2. This is a secure authentication method recommended for most integrations as it provides a robust layer of security. OAuth2 handles authorization without directly exposing your actual credentials, which is a more secure way to manage access. After choosing OAuth2, it's time to enter the API keys. First, make sure you have your dedicated API key and API secret key at hand. These are crucial as they grant the necessary permissions for the integration. Input your API key into the designated field and subsequently enter the API secret key. Be precise when you're entering these keys, as any errors might prevent the connection from working properly. Once you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything. Ensure that your subdomain and API keys are correct. Double-checking at this stage can help avoid any connection issues later on. Once you've verified all fields are correctly filled out, go ahead and click those Save Credentials. This action will store your setup and finalize the integration process, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your Shopify credentials in N8N, ready to be used in your workflows. Feel free to now explore how you can create automations and workflows tailored to your business needs. This integration opens up amazing possibilities for automating tasks between Shopify and various other services supported by N8N. Happy automating, and remember to check back for more tips on how to enhance your productivity using N8N.